In this video, I will introduce with you a new Facebook feature, that is the Facebook avatars. Now you can create your own avatars, and now you can also share it with your friends, and here it's also customizable, and after that you can use it as your profile picture, and you can also make your own customized emoji and comment it to anywhere in the Facebook. So here how you can do it, to know about that you need to watch this video till to the end. This is Mama Sajidz and you're watching Sajidz Tech. So hopefully guys you will watch this video from the first to the last, otherwise you will not understand anything because here I have some complicated words. So please watch this video first to last. Before starting this video, there are a request. If you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. So first of all guys, you need to open up your Facebook, and after that here you need to go to the three dot, and from here guys go to the see more. And here after just going to the see more, you can see that there are a button called the avatars. And here if you don't get this button, then go to Google Play Store and update your Facebook. And after that, even though you don't get it that time, you need to wait for some time, because here it's updating almost, and some Facebook account does just get that, other Facebook accounts don't get it. So here still now I'm also not getting this, but here I just make this video for you from others. So here you need to go to in this avatars icon from here, and here it will be loading like that. And here after loading for the first time, you can see that this type of interface. Now click on this next, and after just going to the next, you can see that here you get a button called the get started. Now click on this get started, and here guys from here you can choose your own face from here, and they have a lot of face. And after just choosing your first face that time, now you can choose your own hairstyles, and there are a lot of hairstyles, and from here you can choose your own from here. And after that you can use your eyebrows. So here after that you can also choose as your own eyes sunglasses or glasses that you need. And after that here from you can also choose your own nose, to customize your nose, mouth, and everything you can customize as you wish. And after that guys we will go in the outers, that means your clothes, and from here you can choose your clothes. There have a lot of clothes for you, and now you can also choose your own eyes from here. And here guys after just making it, you will take it in this page after whole customization, and here guys it will be load for a while, and while it's loading for the first time, that time you will get a button called next. Click on this next, and here click on this done. And after that guys here we are there, and from here if you want to customize again your this avatar, that time click on this pen tool, and after that you can just customize it as you wish. Now click on this sticker button to create your own stickers from here, and here from you can make your own stickers, and there have a lot of stickers. And now you can send in messenger to your friends these stickers, and here this is whole customizable. Or if you just click on this more option, that time you will get other option. Now if you click on this share button, that time you can share it in your news feeds, and you can also set it as your own temporary profile picture too. And here guys whenever you just click on this share button for the first time, now click on this share or skip it there. And here from you can also select from these three other choices here, and now whenever you click it, that time it will work. So here guys it's completely done for you. Now we will show you how you can use it as your own comment emoji. So here from click on this smile icon from here, and from here you will get this avatar icon there. From here just go to in this avatar icon, and from here you can choose your own avatar and just send it as okay. Now you can also set it as your own avatar. So by this way now you can use your own Facebook avatars in your Facebook and just surprise your friends, and it's really an awesome feature from the Facebook. Now guys, what's about your thinking after just using this type of avatar? If you get this in your Facebook, and otherwise if you don't get still now, that time I really sorry for that, because you have to wait for a while to get this function, because that is not available for everyone. So no more today guys. What's about this video? What do you like this? And if you like that time, please give a like that video, comment me below on this video guys, share this video with your friends so that your friend also know about this, and the subscribe is the must. So guys we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.